Fix your English in 30 days. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Altaf. I'm Ikra, and today we are going to talk about something very important. If you feel shy while speaking English or you think your grammar is weak, then this video is for you.
Hi viewers, I'm Altaf. In today's video, we are going to show you how you can fix your English in just 30 days. We'll share easy tips, daily routines, and useful techniques, so stay with us till the end.
Altaf. Many people say they've been learning English for years but still can't speak fluently. Why does this happen?
That's a great question, Ikra. The reason is simple. They don't practice daily, and they don't follow a proper routine. Fixing your English in 30 days is possible, but only if you stay consistent and motivated.
Exactly. So let's begin with day 1 to day 7. What should someone do in the first week?
In the first week, focus on the basics. Start by learning or revising grammar rules like tenses, parts of speech, and sentence structure. Don't try to learn everything in one day. Pick one topic each day. For example, day 1, present simple tense. Day 2, past simple tense. Day 3, future tense, and so on.
That's very helpful. And what about vocabulary? Should learners also work on new words?
Yes, definitely. Learn 5 new English words every day. Use them in sentences, write them in a notebook, repeat them again and again. This will help you remember them easily.
Let me add something here. You can also watch simple English videos or short stories during the first week. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day. Don't worry about understanding every word. Just try to understand the main idea.
Let's move to week 2, day 8 to day 14. Now it's time to practice more. Start speaking in English every day. Talk to yourself or with a friend.
Yes, mirror practice is a great way to start. Stand in front of a mirror and talk about your day. For example, today I woke up at 7 a.m. I brushed my teeth. I ate breakfast. These small sentences help build your confidence.
Also, start writing a short daily diary in English. Just 5 to 7 lines. This will improve your sentence formation.
That's true. Writing and speaking go hand in hand. And don't forget to record your voice while speaking. Then listen to it. It helps you find your mistakes.
Now, week 3, day 15 to day 21. This is where you start building fluency. Join English-speaking groups or apps where you can chat with others.
Yes, real conversations matter. You can even practice with a family member or classmate. Choose a topic each day and speak about it for 2 minutes. For example, talk about your favorite food, hobby, or movie.
Also, start watching English news or listening to English podcasts. It helps improve listening skills and pronunciation. Try to repeat what you hear.
Altaf, what if someone doesn't understand native speakers?
That's okay. In the beginning, it's difficult. Choose videos with subtitles. Watch the same video 2 or 3 times. First with subtitles, then without. This method works very well.
Now let's talk about week 4, day 22 to day 30. This is the final week. It's time to bring everything together.
Yes. Now you should focus on fluency, confidence, and correction. Speak for longer periods. For example, try to speak for 5 minutes without stopping.
Also, take feedback. Ask your teacher, friend, or even use online grammar tools to check your speaking and writing. Correct your mistakes and try again.
Another tip is shadowing. It means listening to a sentence and repeating it at the same time. For example, play a video of a native speaker and copy their speech. This helps improve accent and rhythm.
Yes, I've tried it myself. It really works. And don't forget, the more you speak, the more confident you become.
Let's quickly summarize what we have learned today. In week 1, focus on grammar and vocabulary. Learn 5 words a day and 1 grammar rule daily.
In week 2, start speaking daily. Use mirror practice, write a diary, and record your voice.
Week 3 is all about real conversations. Join groups, speak on topics, and listen to English content.
And in week 4, bring everything together. Practice fluency, get feedback, and try shadowing techniques.
If you follow these steps daily, you will see a big improvement in just 30 days. Remember, English is a skill. It needs practice, not perfection.
So don't give up. Stay consistent and keep learning. That's all for today's video.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Altaf. See you in the next video.
Take care and keep practicing English every day. Bye.
Bye, everyone.